Hello and welcome back to another product update and how we're getting on with it. Now this week it is a reversing camera that I put on my car quite a while ago. I'll put a link up to it at the top, and it's a Boscam reversing camera which I fitted, and the idea behind me fitting this was for me to be able to see the tow bar or the tow ball when hooking up to the caravan, to make that a little bit easier. It was a little bit of a pain to fit because on our car we have a split boot and I wanted it just above the number plate, so we had to kind of the wiring it up was quite difficult, and there was only just enough cable because it had to go through two sections of the boot. How's it been? I'll be honest with you, not that good, to be fair. I'll show you the picture of it at the moment. I had to make a slight adjustment because when I initially fitted it and I reversed onto the caravan, I couldn't even see the tow ball, so I had to try and adjust the camera, and I managed to do it, but it wasn't great. You could see the tow ball, but it wasn't absolutely fantastic. A couple of things have gone wrong with it. Sometimes I've got in the car and it's not worked at all. I've put it into reverse and it's not come on. It did that for quite a while. It didn't come on, and I thought it was down to a faulty earth in the boot. But I've redone that, and still now and again it won't come on. Also, what's happened with the rear camera, it's all gone rusty in a horrible colour. And there must be some sort of water or moisture within the camera sometimes, and you can't see anything through it. It does still work. I can just about see the top of the tow ball, but it's not great, and I think it wasn't. God, I can't remember what it was. It was really cheap, but it. Yeah, it doesn't always work, and it's not very clear. I possibly think eventually I'll probably just...
I'm not sure I understand.
That's because I didn't ask you anything. I would imagine possibly I'm probably going to take the camera out because it's bugging me that it's not a clear enough picture. So I'll just show you the screen, and then obviously I'll show you the camera outside. So this is the screen here. There are a few adjustments on the back of it, but I've taken it off. We'll put the camera on, so we'll just pop it into reverse and switch the reversing beeps off. Now, I don't know if you can see that, but it is not very clear at all, and I can just about see the top of the tow ball, which is there, but the view of it is not great. It was very clear when I first put it on, but obviously the camera has got some sort of moisture in it. You can have the lines on here, but I took them off because what happened when I moved the camera further down, the lines were pointing on the floor. They weren't in the right position, so I've took them off. In fact, I'm not sure whether you can switch them on or not. No. So yeah, it's the picture is not great at all. Let's have a look at the camera itself outside. It does work now actually. It takes a few seconds. Switch that off. It takes a few seconds to come on, but it's not great. So you can see the camera is quite rusty here, and I think there's something inside. I don't know. It's kind of split here, and but it's not a great view, and it's all rusty because when I fitted it I had to go through this section here all the way around here, and then go through here. I think from what I remember it goes down through here anyway, but yeah, the camera doesn't work too good. So just a quick update on that Boscam reversing camera. It was very cheap. I wasn't expecting great things from it. It served a purpose, and like I said, I'll possibly be taking it out because I'll probably leave it until it stops working completely. But the view is not that great with it. I think next time the key is to buy a car with a reversing camera already fitted, factory fit one, because they're always better and calibrated so much better. So thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.